What's up, my Afro lovers and friends? Welcome back to D-Ray Afro Journey. Today I am here again with another video, not a DIY today, guys. I'm here with a guest. Yes, my mom is here with me, and I must let you know that this video was recorded pre-COVID, okay? And so she came by, and of course, as always, she enjoy when I experiment in her hair, and this is another experiment. I told her I could crochet, and I have a needle, and I want to crochet braid her hair. Is that the correct term though, right? Anyway, I told her I wanted to put hair in her hair. Okay, and guys, please bear with me because I know I do not pronounce the H. I know I'm having this H pronunciation problem, and sometimes you won't hear the H in the air. Okay? Sound like I just did it again. Anyway, guys, this is a voice over, and let's get into it. So I'm crochet braiding my hair, and as you have been looking at the pics, you see that's the final result. And she don't want to show her face on camera, so you won't be able to see her face. Anyway, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Let's get into this. So I'm starting out on freshly or semi-freshly washed hair. I think she washed her hair before she came. And I'm using Shea Moisture, braid it up and take down. And this moisturizer, guys, this moisturizer is the bomb. If you have your hair in plaits, braids, and you want to get it out, it works. Okay, it works. It softens the hair, easy to braid, and it also, the softness of the hair even help you to pull out the braid. Okay, so after moisturizing the hair, I part the hair into sections because of course doing this, it makes the work easy. And I've already planned my braid pattern. You note I parted her hair in 6 sections, 1 back, 2 in the middle, 3 at the front, and I braid it up. She's a bit tender-headed, so I ensured that her braids were not tight, because if they were tight, she pull it out as soon as I'm finished. That's how she is. I said she got to hairdresser and get sewing, and she spend a whole lot of money. As she reach home, she pull it out. TMI. I know if she's watching this, she's gonna be like, why is she talking? Anyway, guys, let's get back to it. So after canoeing, and I am not very good at showing you or demonstrating how I canoe or you begin the canoe, but this is what you do. It's like plaiting in a sense. So I'm using the triple jumbo braids, and I'm only going to use half a pack to complete her hair. Yeah, half of 1 pack to complete her hair. Yeah. I'm trying to remember. These were Marley braids, I think. Yeah, they have this curly texture to it, and it's very smooth. Yeah, I think it's a Reggae Marley braid. It's smooth, and it was very easy to work with. It did not knot or anything like that. So you take small sections, and it's simple. It's so simple to do, guys. You have your crochet needle, and you just push the crochet needle through. You loop the hair around it, and you pull it back through the cornrow, and then you take off the needle, and you begin to knot the ends. You just tie it like you'd be tying your shoes lace. You just tie it, and that's it. Don't focus on the curtains, guys. I know they don't press. That's the guest room, and I'm like, oh, we're not having guests for now, so by the time we have guests, the curtains will blow out. And of course, you know, my mom saw that. She's like, why you don't press the curtains? I mean, who really press curtains before putting them up? Anyway, so it's simple, guys. You just pull the air through the cornrow using the crochet needle, and you knot it, and that's it. You won't have a problem, they won't fall out, and it's very easy to take down. All thing you need to do is just get a scissors, feel the knot, and cut the knot, and that's it. And remember, it's cornrow underneath, so it's very simple, very simple. And these are our final results. It's looking good, and of course that's our number one hairstyle. So she wants it in a bun. She's not gonna let it down, because that's what moms do. She don't want her hair touching her neck, so she just want a bun, and she's gonna wear her hair like this for a couple weeks. Well, just the bun. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.